Hello there, my name is Sheikh Khalifa, and today I'll be doing my network architecture and protocols assignment 2, and um, and today I'll be doing part 1, which is investigate and discuss how and why should a business implement big data, Internet of Things, and cloud services. So I've created a presentation, and here we go. What is Internet of Things? Internet of Things means a system of interconnected devices that has the capability to collect and transfer human data over a wireless medium without the need of human intervention. Why do businesses need IoT? Improved business insights and customer experience, cost and downtime reductions, efficiency and productivity gains, asset tracking, and waste reduction. What is big data? Big data is a term that describes the large number of data, both structured and unstructured. Um, it controls on businesses on what they do on a day-to-day basis, and also the important part is that organization has the ability um, to tinker around the data, and the large amount of data is not really that important. And big data can be analyzed for insights that can lead to better decisions and strategic business moves. Why do businesses need big data? Firstly, big data can attract customers to the business. Secondly, use of big data resolves advertiser issues and offer marketing ideas and for customers. And thirdly, big data analytics for risk management. For example, EOB Bank of Singapore. What are cloud services? Cloud services are infrastructure or software that are usually hosted by third-party providers and made available to users through the internet. Cloud services facilitate the flow of user data from front-end clients. For example, user servers, tablets, desktops, laptops, anything that is electronic. Um, Users can access their cloud services anytime, anywhere with nothing more than a computer, an operating system, and an internet connectivity or a virtual private network. Reasons why businesses require cloud services: reduce costs, flexibility, scalability, no need for a backup plan, and data security. And that concludes to the presentation of part 1. And now moving on to part 2, which is demonstrating on how I can implement big data, Internet of Things in a virtual environment. Okay, so now moving on to part 2. Let me pause the video, and yeah. Okay, here I am in my virtual machines. As you can see, I've already installed Instant Contiki and Ubuntu. So, firstly, let me go to Contiki. And what is Contiki? Contiki is an operating system that is used for Internet of Things for low-powered devices. For example, I can just go to Kujo. File, new simulation. In this case, I can call it BIT353. Assignment number 2. And here it is. There are multiple windows here: network, simulation control, nodes, mode output, and timeline. So in order to start for the simulation, I can go to File, New Simulation. Yes, remove it. My simulation. Oh, actually, oh, apologies for that. Let me do another one again. 353 this time. Create. Add modes. Oh, yeah. In order for me to create the modes, I can go to create new mode type, sky mode, browse, udp-sync.c, open, compile, and create. And in this case, I'll just add up 5 modes. Add modes, and here it is. I'm already in the new modes here. I can just rearrange them for, and then 5. Okay, I can just click start to run the simulation of the Contiki network simulator. Start, and here it is. As you can see, they're communicating. The modes are communicating. So if I want to know how they communicate, I can, I can just go to my own grid, mode type, radio traffic. As you can see, they're connecting. And this UDGM. Now this is much better. As you can see, the networks are communicating. So 5 is like the central. As you can see, 5 is central. Oh, I just moved it. I can just go here again. Oh, okay. Yeah, that is it for the Contiki. And now moving on to Ubuntu, because I've already installed my own cloud and MongoDB in my Ubuntu. Onto my Ubuntu. And yeah, here it is. I'm in my Ubuntu. I can just to go to my own cloud. First thing first, I need to type in my IP address, because this is how I get it. So if config, okay, here's my IP address. I can just copy paste this. Oh yep, as you can see here, I've already done it. So let me just put another one again for this purpose, and slash own cloud. And yeah, here it is. I'm in my cloud. I can go to my documents. As you can see, I've already put in a test here, like a PowerPoint in the documents. As you can see, I can access it. Close the document. Close this. And also I can also put this externally. For example, I can do this. I can go to my own cloud. As you can see, I've already installed my own cloud in my desktop. I can log in. Okay, let me just enter my password. Yeah, so here it is. Yeah, it's synchronized. So yeah, so it's synchronized. I can open folder. I can add anything I want here. Basically, just the photos. I can go to my pictures. I can put in, for example, I can put this picture in. Oops. I can copy this and put this in my own cloud. Photos. And now let me go to my virtual machine. Go to my photos, and here it is. It's still here. Okay, and also I can access this on the internet on Google Chrome. Let's go to my Chrome. Copy paste my IP address. Paste. log in. Yeah, so here it is. I can also access it as well. And also, if I want to add, if I want to upload a new one, I can just go to documents. Yeah. For this purpose, let me just create a Word document, or maybe an Excel worksheet. Test. Okay. And let me save it. +1. Okay. I can alter it again. Actually. Save it. I can go to my own cloud. Can add, open folder, go to my desktop. Here it is. You can just put my test. My Microsoft. Oops. I can just copy this, paste this in my own cloud. Okay. Let me go to my virtual machine. Home. Okay, let me go to my. So yeah, I can access the file that I just created, and here it is. Testing and testing. 1+1 and testing. Okay. I think that concludes to what my own cloud can do. In both VirtualBox and on the desktop, as well as on mine. Actually, I can just go here, go to my documents, and yeah, here it is. It's here. I can delete it as well. I can delete some files, delete. And if I go back to my virtual machine, it's already deleted, as you can see. So yeah, I think that concludes on how my own cloud can work both in virtual machine and on desktop. So now moving on to MongoDB. I can just go to MongoDB Compass. Here it is. Hold on. It's connected to my localhost. Connect. And here it is. Yep, here it is. For example, as you can see right now, this is the default database name. Databases, the default databases, I mean. So if I want to add a database, if I want to add more, I can just type in Mongo. I can just type in show DBS. This is the default DBS. So if I want to add, I can just type in use, for example, I will call this company files 2DB. Okay, I'm gonna show DBS. Actually, hold on. Can you refresh this? Nope. Okay. I can just company and db dot create collection. Dot create collection. Company files, for example, names. Okay, so show dbs. Okay, as you can see, I've already added some new database. I can just go db. If I want to add more, I can just go to db dot names. db dot names dot insert curly brackets staff. Actually, nope. Actually, I just call it names, and in this case I can just name it Shackle. I can just curly bracket. Let's see what I did wrong here. Oh, okay. Let's see what I did wrong. Okay, we look at there. Let's go here. And we'll try now. Yep, as you can see, it's already inserted. I'll insert some new files here. The collections here. Names. And here it is. Shackle is in the company files database. So Shackle is in the database. I can add more if I want. I can just, for example, I can db.names. If I want to insert multiple names, I can just go insert brackets, curly brackets, names. For example, Budianto, Hartono, Bambang, and I can just brackets, semicolon. I see. Oh, right. I see. Oh, so I have to put one names at a time then. Okay. Okay, and refresh. And now Budianto is in the company files names. Add some more. Just copy paste this. Now we just call it Hartono, and now let me create another one again. And Bambang. And here it is. So yeah, now Budianto and Hartono and Bambang is already in the company's files name, and yeah, I think that concludes um, part 2. And yeah, thank you for watching, and hopefully you like my presentation, and as well as myself demonstrating on how MongoDB and my own cloud works on both virtual machines, like I mean my own cloud on virtual machines and desktop, and MongoDB on virtual machine. Okay, thank you for watching, and that's it. S 14778 209 signing off.